Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. I'm so excited about Sale-A-Bration because it's the best time of the year to be a stamper. There are so many different ways to earn free product, and one of them, which I'm going to talk to you about today, is joining Stampin' Up! It is a perfect time of year to join Stampin' Up! Because you get so much extra goodie. So every year I like to select my favorite goodies as if I were going to sign up again right now. So this year I actually did two different kits. I did one for the beginner stamper and I did one for the more seasoned stamper. So these are sort of my idea of what I would get with the Stampin' Up! Amazing Celebration bonus right now. So we're gonna start with the beginner stamper, and I'm gonna show you what I would get with the $125 that you get to pick out. So it's $125 of any product you want for just $99 plus free shipping. You also get 3 extra items, which I'll go over those, and it's absolutely amazing. So as a beginner stamper, I went with the all-inclusive kit. This is perfect because it comes with everything that you need. It comes with a clear block. It also comes with Night of Navy ink and all the supplies and adhesive to make this kit. And it comes in a cute box. So perfect little like getting started kit. And since we also have our Night of Navy ink, then I went ahead and got a Memento black ink. It's always good to have just a regular black ink to be able to use for any of your projects. So we now have Night of Navy and black ink. There's also a clear block in there. It's clear block D, but I also have clear block I in this starter kit. And the reason for those 2 blocks is I feel like you can get a lot out of those 2 because this is a very long one and the other one is a more square one. I also went with the Painted Poppies stamp set. If you know me at all, you know I love flowers, so that one's perfect. I also went with a more masculine stamp set. This is Mountain Air. So I feel like we have our flowers and our more like nature tones with the masculine, so feminine, masculine. And I should also mention that this all-inclusive kit comes with some greeting stamps. So I also went with more image stamps with my 2 stamp sets here because I knew I would have those greetings in that kit as well. Because of these 2, I also went with Poppy Parade ink as well as Mossy Meadow ink because between Night of Navy, Basic Black, and Mossy Meadow, I feel like you can get some great images out of this set. And then of course, Night of Navy, Poppy Parade, and Basic Black there with the Memento. You can get a lot of great ones out of this. Also, don't forget that you can get multiple colors out of all of your ink pads just by stamping off. Then you can have those various shades and it really gives you so many more color options with just one ink pad. Again, because we're a beginner, I have the snail adhesive and a bone folder because those are perfect and needed all the time for any sort of stamping. And then I also went with the chamois so that we can clean our stamps. Of course, mine is dirty and a hot mess, but they do come beautiful and solid purple, and they'll never look like that again. Once you start cleaning your stamps, they'll look like this. So well loved, fabulous chamois. So that actually totals out to be exactly $125. So not a penny is wasted with the beginner kit there because I mean, I don't want to waste any of that. So that is the beginner kit for $125. You also will get a Sampler Designer Series 6x6 paper stack. So this is a couple different patterns from the mini catalog as well as Celebration brochure. So there's a little bit of a couple different packs of paper in there. So super awesome to be able to use those for other variations. Again, with your Basic Black, you can always stamp a greeting with any of these because it's going to match perfectly. you also get this fabulous, adorable little Stampin' Trimmer. How cute is this? So it is fairly small. As you can see, my hand there is just a little bit smaller than this little paper trimmer. So this will be perfect to be able to do any of those small pieces of paper and cutting those. Also, if you're a scrapbooker, it's perfect for that because you can trim your photos with it. So super, super cute, little bitty guillotine Stampin' Trimmer there. So cute. The third thing that you get is a free stamp set of your choice. Any dollar value. So of course, again, I want to pick the biggest, most expensive stamp set possible because I want to get the most bang for my buck. So I picked out some of my favorites. These are all anywhere from $30 up. So some of them are even $40 and up. So you can always go with a good greeting stamp set. This is Special Celebrations. So this one has great inside-outside greetings. Perfect. Again, since we already got our 2 image stamp sets, then getting another greeting one would be awesome. This one here, Flourishing Phrases. This one is great because it has both greetings inside outside as well as a few floral images. And hello, I told you I love flowers. I can never have enough flowers. So that's always perfect. Another fabulous one is the Well Said stamp set. As you can see, this one has 1,000,001 stamps in it. These are all like smaller greetings, so you can mix and match them. They say, you know, happy birthday or thinking of you, different things like that that you can kind of mix and match the greetings. If you're super into nature or masculine cards, there's the Rooted in Nature stamp set. So it has a couple greetings to it, but it also has a lot of nature images with leaves and trees and things like that. And again, if you're more flowers, you can go with the Good Morning Magnolia stamp set. So again, this has a few inside-outside greetings as well as those beautiful flowers to be able to stamp and play with. So many fun stamp sets, but you can pick one of those as well as getting these 2 items for free. And then of course, your $125. Now, if you're a more seasoned stamper and you have some of those basic items and you want to get some other things, then here's the kit for you. So of course, if you're a seasoned stamper, you're probably stamping for every occasion, every holiday, everything. You just need like the next day to happen in order to have a reason to stamp. So that means you need Valentine's Day stuff. So of course, I'm gonna start with the Valentine's Day bundle. It is Heartfelt stamp set with the coordinating punches. So there's the scallop heart punch as well as the smaller smooth heart punch. These 2 layer together to make fabulous projects. And of course, hearts aren't just for Valentine's Day. They're for all year long to share your love. So there's that suite. Of course, then we have to get the designer series paper to go with it. This is a specialty designer series paper, which means it has foil accents on one side of every sheet. And look at that first sheet. That first sheet actually coordinates with the scallop heart punch, so you can punch those right out of the designer series paper. So fabulous. And again, we need those treat boxes for Valentine's Day. Look at how cute these little tins are. They have that little clear topper, and of course they have the little tin bottom. Super cute to be able to put any sort of a Valentine treat or a little gift made for love, that sort of thing. That is what you'll need. I also picked out the doilies. I actually used the doilies this morning. So there's both pink and red. These actually fit, oh my, these actually fit into the little lid or inside the little tin to make a fabulous decoration. The other 2 stamp sets that I went with are, one is this one here. This is Thanks for the Laughs. Absolutely hilarious, wonderful stamp set to use for greetings and things like that. It has great stamp sets that we all can relate to in life. The other one is Beautiful Moments. I am loving this stamp set. Maybe it's because of little Claire now, but I'm just loving the cute little images of the mother-daughter or siblings. You can kind of base that off of what you have in your life, or the beautiful lady in the field too, because sometimes you just need a breather out in a field of lavender, right? I mean, maybe, I don't know. But anyway, I thought this was a fabulous stamp set. And again, as a seasoned stamper, you may already have coloring tools, whether it be markers, watercolor pencils, or Stampin' Blends. You could also use aqua painters and blender pens too. So again, you probably kind of have those sort of things already if you're a seasoned stamper. So it's perfect to be able to get another stamp set like this to use with all of those tools that you have. And then last but not least, to cap off the 125, I have champagne rhinestones. And you can tell how much I love these because half of them are already gone. They don't come in a pack like this. They come with a full sheet. So don't worry about that at all. But I've used many of them already because they are so fabulous and we all need a little bling in our lives. So the champagne rhinestones rounds it out. Now with this one, I will say I couldn't get that last 25 cents because nothing in the catalog is 25 cents. So I actually spent $124.75. So there's just that little bit left over, but you could always mix and match the items in there and try to get it to that 125 if you really wanted to, if you wanted to mix things up. Of course, you still, with this kit, would still get that free stamp set, so you can pick out of any of those that I showed, but you can also pick any stamp set that you want. And you would also be getting these items too, the little guillotine cutter and the designer series paper. Because after all, you can never have enough designer series paper. So if you're a beginner stamper and these items are perfect for you in your starter kit, then I will leave links down below so that you can just enter those right into your starter kit. I will also leave links for the more avid crafter down below too, so that you can just enter that in. Of course, both kits can be customized completely and you can actually select anything that you want for your starter kit. So I will also be leaving a link down below so that you can sign up and have as much fun as I am having with Stampin' Up. It is just an absolute fabulous time. I've been doing it for 15 years now and loving every minute of it. And why not come along on this journey, join my team, and we can have fun together. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.